Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 enhanced sound issues on your PC. So probably you know that there is a lot of sound issues, sound is not equal, you cannot hear anything, and so on and so forth. And what you need to do here is quite easy fix. You just need to go to settings, then you need to go to sound here, then sound settings, scroll down a bit until you see more sound settings. Then here you need to make sure to select the headset or the speakers that you use. Make sure to set as default, right click on it, properties, spatial sound, and then change it. For example, if you're getting sound issues with Windows Sonic for headphones, then turn that off, apply, and look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, go to Windows Sonic for headphones, and then what you need to do here is to go to properties, and then here you need to go to a enhancement. So you just need to right click, you should see a enhancements, and then make sure loudness equalization is selected, apply, okay, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button.